So this is the gate locker. This is the gate locker. Iṣẹ́ weather ṣe bíbí báyìí, we still need to come around again to work on it because the gate locker kò kí ìtàn dáadáa. This place where you can run some saying there, kí gate locker never lay jam, and this place also. So that's the gate locker. Although you know she lost her. So that black thing up there, that small one, that's the strobe light. So this is it. So the one that I was having issue then that was corrected, this is. So that's it like that. Maybe I thought only DSTV I work in be why I know to jáde. Pé kì í ṣe bí signal wà ní. Àwọn bàbá electrician enjoy. Pé ẹ̀gbọ́n bí báyìí ní signal ti jáde. Wọ́n yọ wire yẹn padà, wọ́n dá padà sí tó báyìí kó ti jáde. Mo sọ fún wọn enjoy wọ́n ní ibi táwọn plan ẹ̀ fún ni. Ṣé ibi táwọn plan ẹ̀ fún ni àbí ibi tí signal ti jáde? Wow. Who come? So, that's it. That's it, sir. So I will now show you the so this is it's a complete system. So this is the alarm and that's the DC light. The other light that you were asking after, that's the red one and that's the alarm. So that's the gate, and we are going to lock the gate. They are not responding because we wish to advise them that they should cut them. Because if the rain is heavy, the palm tree, especially this palm tree, you can hear the sound. It can be shocking now. So let me show you the one inside. Afa, ibo lẹ̀kùn bo lẹ ṣí ńbẹ̀ àbí kò sí lẹ̀kùn kankan ṣíṣí? Okay, kitchen. Ẹ̀yin gba kitchen wọlé. That's it, electric fence. That's and this is the 10 line. You can see if you count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 line as you requested, sir. For this time. So we don't need electricity for it to work. Since this is that's the battery rack. So we have already made provision. This is the electrical power. By the time those electricians are working, this is the electrical power. This is the battery. 13.5 volts. The battery is already full. Can you see, sir? This is 13.8. So 13.7 is the sun coming in. The battery is already. That's it. So we have already connected the battery. Connected the battery to the battery side of the charge controller. We connected the panel to the panel side of the charge controller. Then we connected the battery inside the panel to the load part. So this is the key to activate. You see, I've deactivated it now. I've activated it back. You will notice that, sir, that the power line is blinking, showing that it's not electricity that's powering it, it's solar that's powering it. So that's it, sir. So we are already through with our job. I'm just returning back from where I went to, and they told me that